I'm not happy with what Putin's doing. He's killing a lot of people, and I don't know what the hell happened to Putin. I've known him a long time, always gotten along with him, but he's sending rockets into cities and killing people, and I don't like it at all, okay?
Donald Trump has launched a blistering attack on Russian President Vladimir Putin following a record-breaking aerial assault on Ukraine. In a sharply worded post, Trump said, and I quote, "I've always had a very good relationship with Vladimir Putin of Russia, but something has happened to him. He has gone absolutely crazy." End quote. The comments come just hours after Ukraine endured its most intense drone attack to date. The Ukrainian Air Force reports that Russia launched 355 drones and 9 missiles overnight, the highest number of drones used in a single attack since the war began. President Zelenskyy has responded, stating that the attack caused injuries and damaged civilian infrastructure. He blames a global lack of consequences for Moscow's escalation. Zelenskyy said, and I quote, "Only a sense of total impunity can allow Russia to carry out such strikes and continue increasing their scale." End quote. He added that Putin's actions show contempt for international diplomacy, arguing that the world spends more time talking to Russia than applying real pressure. Once again, he called for more sanctions and for Putin to be constrained by force. Meanwhile, in Moscow, the Kremlin responded to Trump's remarks. Spokesman Dmitry Peskov downplayed the criticism, calling the moment one of emotional overload for everyone involved. Still, the Kremlin thanked Trump for his efforts in fostering negotiations in the past, saying, and I quote, "We are truly grateful to the Americans and personally to President Trump for their help in organizing and launching the negotiation progress." Peskov also defended the latest aerial attacks, claiming they were a response to Ukrainian strikes on Russian infrastructure. He said, and I quote, "We have seen how the Ukrainians have been hitting our peaceful infrastructure. This is a response strike aimed at military facilities and military targets." End quote. Speaking further on the situation, Peskov noted that Moscow was forced to act after Ukrainian threats against visiting foreign leaders and drone strikes near Victory Day celebrations. Despite Russian aggression, Ukraine still claims it maintains a military presence inside Russia's Kursk and Belgorod regions. Meanwhile, Russia says it intercepted 96 Ukrainian drones overnight, including 6 near Moscow, underscoring the intensity of fighting on both sides. As rhetoric sharpens and strikes escalate, any talk of peace appears more distant than ever. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.